Hey guys, Natalie here from Serpwizz. Welcome to our SEMRUSH series, and still we're making reviews of these different tools that they offer. And today we're going to be talking about Keyword Manager. So unfortunately, since we have, or if you have watched the previous videos that we have done, you would know that we are currently on a free trial account, and that is because we want to see first what it's like, or have a glimpse of the tools that they offer before we sign up for, or should you want to sign up for a paid subscription. So right now, what we're currently doing is just navigating through these tools and getting to know them as much as we can. And so far, we have been able to utilize all of these tools and features on and see what they can do. However, for this specific one, which is the Keyword Manager, it says here that it is only available for paid users. So this is one of the limitations that come with being a part of or being a member of the free trial account. So that's and that's totally understandable. Of course, a company will only offer a free trial when it comes with a catch, if we can say that. Or, of course, they would want to reserve the full accessibility of the tool to paid subscribers. So that totally makes sense. Anyways, we're just gonna discuss this briefly. Just gonna let you know on how you can utilize this tool. Basically, Keyword Manager is another extension of the Keyword Overview tool right here. And we have done videos or specific videos about these tools as well. So keyword overview is like the tool, or it serves a wider purpose, wherein keyword magic tool and keyword manager tool and probably these two others as well are just extensions of the keyword overview tool. So for this one, it claims that you can collect your favorite keywords from across SEMRUSH and then save your findings, get fresh metrics, and all the other stuff that you need to do into files that you can access better or easier in these files. So here we have, it says here how to use Keyword Manager, and it gives you an idea of how the tool works. So you only need to add desired keywords to your list from SEMRUSH tools. So we all know that these ones, we can generate keywords or put keywords into here. Some of them even offer bulk analysis. And you can also import them manually depending on what you prefer. But of course, it would be easier if you just utilize these tools to get your keywords into the system. So once you've added that, you can set the best keywords, the position tracking, or export them like I have mentioned earlier. And then deep keyword analysis with it serves the purpose of giving you most up-to-date metrics and SERP features, evaluating keyword traffic potential, and as well as getting keywords from different regional databases in one place. So as we all know, SEMRUSH offers a vast, and I think even the word vast is an understatement with how wide or with how loaded their databases are, and those are coming from different countries as well. So that alone speaks a lot, or speaks so much of the tools that they offer. So basically, Keyword Manager is something that you would want to use if you want to manage all of these keywords, and so that you will be able to save them or export them into files that you will have better access of. And that is it for Keyword Manager. It's just a quick overview of this tool. I just wanted to tell you, I didn't want to skip this one, even though we won't be able to use it, but so I can give you an idea of what this tool is all about. Hopefully we'll be able to use the other two features for this category as well, but Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on the next one.